Hey fam, welcome to Live Healthy with Judith. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a natural weight gain smoothie recipe that will give you amazing results in just 10 days. And this is a fail-proof recipe. So firstly, in our super blender, I will be adding some rolled oats. I love rolled oats because it has always given me that thick consistency and the required result for my smoothies. You can as well use the regular oats that you can find. Next will be my bananas, and this is 3 medium size, and I will be adding all of them into a blender. And next I will be adding some cashew nuts and dates. This will make my smoothie super rich and very thick. And next I will be adding our Avengers Greek yogurt. I love this yogurt so much because the consistency and the thickness is everything for me. Super creamy and super thick. And this is half cup of Greek yogurt. You can as well use all the Greek yogurt of your choice. The outcome will still be the same. And lastly, to this recipe, I will be adding half a glass cup of liquid milk. This will be substituting water because it is a weight gain smoothie. You do not need to add water. All you simply need to do, if you don't want the consistency to be very thick, you can increase the quantity of the whole milk you'll be adding to this recipe, and you simply blend to a smoothing consistency. If this is your first time stopping by on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the notification bell so you get to be the first to see all our new uploads. And do share your comments and feedback with us in the comment section. We would love to read them. Another amazing secret about natural weight gain is this: for a sustainable and natural weight gain in specific areas of your body, exercises are non-negotiable. For example, your lower body, you need to engage in exercises like squats, lunges, and the rest of it. In addition, this smoothie should be taken alongside your regular meal. It must not be taken alone. So you can take it first thing in the morning and last thing at night for a most effective result. And please do well to share this video with someone else if you enjoyed this video. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.